Hey everyone, and welcome to Minas Gerais. This awesome state in Brazil is bursting with different landscapes and cool things to see. We're talking lush forests, towering mountains, and tons of amazing animals. Get ready to explore the natural wonders of Minas Gerais. Our adventure starts high up in the Serra do Espinhaco Mountains. This mountain range, stretching over 1,000 kilometers, is a geological wonder and a haven for biodiversity. The peaks here are ancient, formed millions of years ago, and they hold stories of the Earth's past within their rocky folds. As we ascend, the air becomes crisper and the views more breathtaking. The Serra do Espinhaco is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. Imagine huge cliffs, waterfalls tumbling down, and green valleys stretching out below. These valleys are lush and vibrant, teeming with life. The waterfalls, some of which cascade down from great heights, create a symphony of sounds that blend harmoniously with the rustling leaves and chirping birds. The green valleys are a patchwork of different shades, each telling a story of the diverse plant life that thrives here. It's a place where nature's beauty is on full display, inviting you to explore and discover its many secrets. This is where you'll find Serra do Chipo National Park, home to plants and animals you won't see anywhere else. The park is a treasure trove of biodiversity with over 1,600 species of plants and numerous animal species, some of which are endemic to this region. The landscapes here are varied, ranging from rocky outcrops to lush forests and serene rivers. Hiking trails crisscross the park, offering adventurers a chance to immerse themselves in this natural paradise. Whether you're a botanist, a birdwatcher, or just someone who loves nature, Serra do Chipo has something to offer. Keep your eyes peeled for the Cipo macaque monkey. This little guy is super rare and calls these mountains home. The Cipo macaque is an elusive creature, often seen swinging through the trees or foraging for food. Its presence is a testament to the rich biodiversity of the region. Observing this monkey in its natural habitat is a reminder of the importance of conservation efforts to protect such unique species. Cipo macaque is just one of the many wonders that make the Serra do Chipo a special place. Now, let's head south to the Serra da Mantiqueira Mountains. This range, known for its stunning beauty and diverse ecosystems, stretches across 3 Brazilian states: São Paulo, Minas Gerais, and Rio de Janeiro. The Serra da Mantiqueira is a vital water source with numerous rivers and streams originating here. The mountains are also a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts, offering activities such as hiking, mountain biking, and bird watching. As we journey through this region, we'll discover its unique charm and the many hidden gems it has to offer. Picture rolling hills, covered in forests, dotted with charming towns painted in bright colors. These towns, with their quaint architecture and vibrant culture, add a human touch to the natural beauty of the Serra da Mantiqueira. The forests are dense and teeming with wildlife, providing a perfect backdrop for the picturesque towns. The region is also known for its agricultural products, including coffee and dairy, which are integral to the local economy. The blend of natural and cultural elements makes the Serra da Mantiqueira a unique and captivating destination. Up high in these mountains is Campos do Jordão, nicknamed the Swiss of Brazil because it's so beautiful. This town, with its European-style architecture and cool climate, attracts visitors from all over the country. Campos do Jordão is known for its festivals, gourmet cuisine, and outdoor activities. The town's charm lies in its blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Whether you're strolling through its streets, enjoying a meal at a local restaurant, or exploring the surrounding nature, Campos do Jordão offers a delightful experience for all who visit. Minas Gerais has a hidden world underground: caves. These natural wonders are not just simple holes in the ground, they are intricate labyrinths that have been shaped by the forces of nature over millennia. The entrance to these caves often looks unassuming, but once you step inside, you are transported to a different realm altogether. Deep inside Serra do Peruacu National Park are the Cavernas do Peruacu. This park is a treasure trove of geological and archaeological wonders. The caves here are not just empty spaces, they are filled with ancient rock art, some of which dates back thousands of years. As you explore these caves, you can almost feel the presence of the ancient civilizations that once inhabited this region. These caves were formed over thousands of years by water slowly carving through the rock. The process is incredibly slow, taking centuries to create the stunning formations we see today. The walls of these caves tell a story of time, erosion, and the relentless power of water. Each twist and turn in the cave reveals a new marvel, a new chapter in the story of our planet. It's like stepping into a different world with pointy stalactites hanging from the ceiling and stalagmites rising from the floor. These formations are created by the slow drip of mineral-rich water which leaves behind deposits that grow over time. The result is a breathtaking array of natural sculptures that look almost otherworldly. Walking through these caves, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the beauty and complexity of nature. But the power of water isn't just underground. Above ground, water continues to shape the landscape in equally dramatic ways. Rivers and streams carve through the land, creating valleys and canyons. The sound of flowing water is a constant reminder of its presence and its power. It's a force that has shaped our world in countless ways, both seen and unseen. Near the town of Conceição de Mato Dentro, there's a massive waterfall called Cachoeira do Tabuleiro. This waterfall is one of the tallest in Brazil and is a sight to behold. The water cascades down a sheer cliff face, creating a mist that fills the air and nourishes the surrounding vegetation. It's a place of incredible natural beauty and a testament to the power of water. Water crashes down over 273 meters. That's taller than 2 football fields. The sheer height of the waterfall is awe-inspiring, and the sound of the water hitting the rocks below is almost deafening. It's a place that makes you feel small in the best possible way, reminding you of the grandeur and majesty of the natural world. It's a powerful sight you won't forget. Standing at the base of the waterfall, you can feel the spray on your face and the rumble of the water in your chest. It's an experience that engages all your senses and leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're exploring the hidden caves underground or marveling at the towering waterfalls above, Minas Gerais offers a glimpse into the incredible power and beauty of nature. Let's head east to the Atlantic forest, one of the most biodiverse places on our planet. Sadly, a lot of this forest has been cut down, but what remains is still incredible. Imagine a jungle bursting with colorful toucans, parrots, orchids, and even snakes. The Atlantic forest has both rainforest and drier scrubland, each with its own unique animals. You might even spot the golden lancehead pit viper, a beautiful but venomous snake. Thankfully, places like Rio Dutch State Park are protecting this amazing forest for the future. Water is super important in Minas Gerais, and no river is more famous than the São Francisco River, nicknamed Old Chico. This river is a lifeline for people and wildlife in eastern Brazil. For centuries, people have relied on it for drinking water, transportation, and fishing. Today, the river faces challenges from pollution and overuse, but it's still teeming with life. We also can't forget Lago de Furnas, a massive lake created by a dam. It's a popular spot for boating and shows how nature adapts to change. Get ready for a change of scenery as we enter the Chapada de Minas Gerais. Imagine flat-top mountains rising up from the ground with canyons, waterfalls, and unique rock formations carved by wind and rain. Life here is tough. The dry season is scorching hot and the rainy season brings torrential downpours. But even here you'll find incredible animals like the hyacinth macaw. This huge blue parrot is a sight to behold against the red rocks. Minas Gerais is a haven for plants and animals. This Brazilian state is renowned for its rich biodiversity, offering a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. The region's varied landscapes, from dense forests to rocky cliffs, create unique habitats that support an incredible array of life. High up in the Serra da Mantiqueira mountains, you'll find araucaria forests filled with towering Brazilian pine trees. These trees are ancient, dating back to the time of the dinosaurs. The araucaria forests are not just a sight to behold, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing shelter and food for various wildlife species. The cool, misty climate of these highlands creates a perfect environment for these majestic trees to thrive. In the Espinhaco range, plants grow on rocky cliffs, their roots searching for any bit of moisture. This rugged terrain is home to a unique collection of flora that has adapted to survive in harsh conditions. The plants here are resilient, often clinging to the rocks with tenacity. These adaptations are a testament to the incredible diversity of plant life in Minas Gerais, showcasing nature's ability to thrive even in the most challenging environments. Across Minas Gerais, you'll find amazing creatures like the maned wolf with its long legs and reddish fur. This unique canid is the largest in South America and is known for its distinctive appearance and solitary nature. The maned wolf plays a vital role in the ecosystem, helping to control the populations of smaller animals and dispersing seeds through its diet. Its presence is a symbol of the wild and untamed beauty of Minas Gerais. Then there's the giant anteater, which uses its sticky tongue to slurp up ants and termites. This fascinating creature is perfectly adapted to its diet, with powerful claws for breaking into ant nests and a long tubular snout for reaching its prey. The giant anteater's role in controlling insect populations is crucial for maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Watching this unique animal in its natural habitat is a reminder of the intricate web of life that exists in Minas Gerais. And lurking in the shadows is the puma, the top predator of this region. This elusive and powerful cat is a master of stealth, often remaining unseen as it hunts its prey. The puma's presence is essential for keeping the populations of other animals in check, ensuring a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Its ability to adapt to various environments, from dense forests to open grasslands, makes it a true symbol of the wild. The puma's silent strength and grace are a testament to the untamed spirit of Minas Gerais. If you love adventure, Minas Gerais is calling your name. You can go hiking, rock climbing, and horseback riding through these diverse landscapes. Hike through Serra do Chipo and discover hidden waterfalls and breathtaking views. For a challenge, try rock climbing in the Espinhaco range. Or explore the Serra da Mantiqueira on horseback, like the early explorers did. Whether you're a thrill seeker or prefer a peaceful nature escape, Minas Gerais has something for everyone. Minas Gerais has it all: stunning nature, fascinating history, rich culture, and incredible plants and animals. From the mountain peaks to the deepest caves, there's something new to discover around every corner. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or just want to see the beauty of Brazil, Minas Gerais won't disappoint. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel videos.